To get to Pebble Go, you'll want to make sure you're on Victoria's homepage. Remember, you click on the little house to get there. And then you go to class link. And then you might have to click on your name where your email's at to get to this page. Brain Pop Junior's here. But you want to click on this one that is yellow and purple. Not the Pebble Go Next, but just Pebble Go. So click on that one. And then I want you to go to Science. And then I want you to go to Earth and Space Science.
Weather.
Then I want you to go to Weather.
Hot.
And then I want you to click on Extreme Weather. Now, so once you get to Extreme Weather, you can pick any of these to be your research. What you want, what are you interested in researching and learning more about. You will have today and Monday to research and take notes in your own words of what you learn and different facts that you learn about the topic that you chose. So pick one of these. And then on Tuesday, we will be making a brochure talking about your extreme weather that you chose. So we're just doing a little research, maybe finding out how to stay safe with your extreme weather that you chose, what happens, what is it like. So just take little notes about what you learned as you're researching one of these extreme weathers. So blizzards, drought, hurricanes, lightning and thunder, thunderstorms, tornadoes, and I think that was it. All right, so pick on extreme weather.